Best foods for COVID-19 positive patients. A nutritious diet and an optimally functioning immune system can never go wrong. If you have a healthy immune system, your body can safeguard even the novel coronavirus or COVID-19. There are some vitamins and foods which you can inculcate in your diet to have a strong immune system and in turn, fight the infectious disease. We can suggest some food items that can enrich your immunity. First, yogurt. Yogurt is a natural probiotic and aids in the formation of good bacteria in our body. Remember, it has to be freshly made. Then second is turmeric. The golden spice turmeric is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the compound present in turmeric, is a very potent agent and aids in healing of wounds and infections. This is the reason it is often suggested to have turmeric milk. Third is natural antivirus foods. Tulsi leaves, star anise, a spice, garlic, and ginger are some of the natural antivirus food items which gives protection from seasonal flu as well. For boosting immunity and flushing out toxins, Ms. Batra suggests a Tulsi drink which can simply be made by boiling 3 to 4 leaves in water. Fourth is vitamins. Among all kinds of vitamins, vitamin C and vitamin D play a major role in strengthening one's immunity. For the same, one should have more citrus fruits and vegetables like amla, lemon, orange, and others. Also, egg yolks and mushrooms are a good source of vitamin D. Fifth one is zinc. It is another nutrient that helps your immune system and metabolism function. An individual can either take zinc supplements or inculcate in their diet through cashews, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, among others. Let's try these food items and grow your immunity